All right, so I've decided to clean out the garage. It has needed it, and some reason I think that filming it is going to help me because I'll be held more accountable. So this is what it's going to look like at the beginning. Over here we have the rugs out of the house. We pull them out as a Sabbath tradition. And then we have just a bunch of stuff up here at the top. We have way too many things on top of the refrigerator up there, and these like fall off too. One of these propane tanks fell off and slammed against the ground pretty hard when the garage door gets hit, or when the fridge door gets close too hard, and so I don't want that to, can that blow up? I don't know. I already organized the costume bin. The shoes, that's Lila's new job. She organized those tonight, which is nice. I've got a few more organization things up there. Trash is pretty well taken care of. We've got some old clothes and roller skates in that bin there. But over here, I'm going to do, I think, most of the work. Right down here, I really want to clean out these bins. We have bird seed on the ground, which is possibly a trap or a problem to have mice in the house, mice in the garage, and then just everything here just looks kind of junky. This chair right here, we only use it for cutting hair, and I kind of stopped using it for cutting hair, so I don't even think I really need it over here anymore. I'll probably take it back to the duplex storage. We have this nice hutch from Aunt Jeree, and in here I started just putting some tools on it, and it's working pretty good for that right now. And then this can sometimes have chemicals in it, so just in case the kids come in the garage, I don't like to have this down. I like to have this kind of up higher, where if there's, you know, weed killer or ant killer in there in granule form, they don't come in there and start eating out of the trough. I have 2 propane tanks. As soon as they're out, which we'll use for this, this is a outdoor pizza oven. As soon as they're out, I can get rid of those, and that'll free up some space. And then some of these things down here, these breakable things, they go up on a ledge. I wasn't able to get all the ledges up after we had the inside of the house painted. So those are going to have to stay in here for now, but I want to get it all organized and cleaned up. I finally was able to remove the hoses. Our trees are living out front. We've been watering them now. It's going on 2 years, so I was finally able to remove those. So I thought that putting them up high would work out really good. We've got the mower over here, a ladder, 2 tables. I like to use that table for auction, and I also use that table for puzzles. And then we have our cornhole game, a for sale by owner sign I used at a house in Killeen about 4 years ago. It's looking pretty cracked up and bad. I should probably just throw it away. In fact, I probably will. But I might use it because we may be selling this car, so maybe I could put it in the window there, but that might even look worse than just writing on the window or putting a piece of paper in the window that it's for sale. And then coming around here to the front, these 2 signs here, these are just gonna be for auction, so I don't need to move them. And then that big black thing over there is a tent for auctions, so as long as I'm working for Roddy's, that'll stay with me. Otherwise, I'll bring it back to the Austin office. So this is just a little propane grill that's hanging down from here. It's probably in the way, but I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna start with these, with this stuff right here, getting it all organized, and I'll take it away. Now I have a bunch of these buckets at the duplex, so maybe the solution is to get more of these and bring them over and really get everything sorted out nicely. So let's see what we have here.